Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today we are going to be announcing the Projects of 23 challenge for September. Can't believe we're almost through the year. All right, so in here we have a project style and something that we have to use. So let's see. All right, this one seems fairly easy. We are going to be making a journal card, and you must use ribbon on it. So we're going to be making a journal card, and we must use ribbon. That is the challenge for the month of September. And please keep in mind that I will be traveling mid-September, so if I don't automatically respond to your post, I apologize, okay? So September, a journal card using ribbon, okay? That's it. That's our challenge for the month. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Stay well. Bye-bye.